They have finally arrived. Anker Soundcore VR P10. Quite hard to get where I'm living. Needed to order them on Amazon.com, and let's see what they're all about. When I purchased them, they were in discount, so basically free shipping. That's what it came down to. The other set that I reviewed at first glance, they appeared to be quite nice. They weren't. Sound just degraded, went away, no visible sound when recording, stuff like that. So I'm gonna give the Meta verified ones a go on the Quest 3. Feels solid, nice. The dongle. It should be able to store in the box. Oh yeah, magnetically attached. Still closes, so that works. Cable, ear tips. No ear tips on it? No ear tips on it. Do that straight off. Usually I have the biggest. Perfect fit. There's a plasticky here. Probably for charging. Charging points. Didn't even notice that on the first, so they might not be charged at all. Let's go! Let's go! Okay. It's a good magnet. It's hard to get it out. Even when you want to. So let's see. Put it in here. Light is flashing. And it's charging. So it's good to go. Pass-through works. I will give it a go. I will get back to you on how it works.